Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add payment methods in Facebook Lite app. Okay, so you can see this is the Facebook Lite app. So you have to click here, three line top right corner on the screen. Simply click on that. Once you click on that, then scroll down a little bit, then here is the option settings. Simply click on settings and click here the payments. Simply click on payments and make payment or edit your payment settings. So order and payment, you have to choose the second one, or you can select the first option because we didn't add any payment. So add payment method. Okay, once you click there, then you have to give PayPal or credit or debit card, so you can choose. So this is credit and debit card. Once you click there, then you have to give your card number here, your month, everything, and then you have to click save. Then your payment method will be saved here. So friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's number, and thank you for watching.